20 insane woodworking tools on Amazon are designed for expert craftsmen who demand precision, efficiency, and innovation. From high-tech measuring gadgets to versatile jigs and ergonomic hand tools, these products transform any workshop. Whether tackling complex joinery, fine detailing, or heavy-duty projects, these tools deliver unmatched accuracy and performance, making them must-haves for serious woodworking enthusiasts. Woodpeckers SERX Straight Edge Rule. The Woodpeckers SERX Straight Edge Rule is a high-precision, dual-purpose tool crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum for machinery alignment and layout tasks. Its unique freestanding design allows hands-free flatness checks on table saws and jointers, while laser-etched graduations on a beveled edge ensure accurate marking. Precision machined to 0.0015 inches per foot, it features high-contrast woodpecker red markings, a low spot indicator, and comes in a protective MDF case. Durable, reliable, and made in the USA, it's ideal for demanding woodworking projects. Milescraft 1229 HingeJigPLUS. The Milescraft 1229. HingeJigPLUS is a versatile self-clamping system designed for precise hinge, latch, and strike plate mortises without screws or nails. Its dual clamp design protects doors while ensuring accuracy. Compatible with standard North American hinges, it supports 2 1/2 inches to 4 1/2 inches mortises, multiple corner radii, and both door and frame applications. Included templates, depth guides, a router bit, adjustable spacer, and pin doctor tool simplify installation, while onboard storage keeps all components organized, making hinge work fast, accurate, and damage-free. Trend Door HingeJigC. The Trend Door HingeJigC HJigC is a lightweight, portable anodized aluminum jig designed for precise routing of square butt hinge mortises in wooden doors and frames. Its adjustable quick-release aperture blocks allow fast, tool-free positioning, while versatile edge guides fit multiple hinge sizes. The two-part skeleton design ensures easy transport and storage. Ideal for new installations or renovations, it eliminates manual marking by using the hinge itself as a template and comes with essential accessories for plunge router use. Milescraft 1309 DowelJigKit. The Milescraft 1309. DowelJigKit is a complete woodworking solution designed for creating strong, precise corner, edge, and surface joints in wood, from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inch thick. Its self-centering jig and adjustable fence simplify alignment, while hardened steel bushings and durable ABS construction ensure longevity. The 82-piece kit includes drill bits, stops, dowel centers, hardwood dowels, wood glue, an Allen wrench, and a heavy-duty storage case, providing everything needed for accurate professional quality joints with minimal setup. Wolfcraft 3634000 Pointed Ratchet Lever. The Wolfcraft 3634000 Pointed Ratchet Lever MTR70 is a precision clamping tool designed for hard-to-reach areas. Its long, tapered clamp arms access confined spaces conventional clamps cannot. Featuring a robust ratchet mechanism, it delivers strong, precise clamping force with one-handed operation via a convenient release knob. Constructed from durable fiberglass reinforced plastic with non-slip handles, it ensures a secure grip. Versatile jaws protect materials while holding round or curved objects, and a generous 70mm clearance allows deep workpiece access. Seika Mini Multifunctional Table Saw. The Seika Mini Multifunctional Table Saw is a compact portable tool perfect for precision cutting of small materials. Powered by a 100-watt adjustable motor with speeds up to 6,000 RPM, it handles wood, plastic, metals, and PCB boards. Its adjustable cutting angle, 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and depth, up to 16mm, allow versatile operations, while a flexible shaft adds sanding, engraving, and drilling functions. Built with a sturdy cast iron body, anti-slip feet, and safety shield, it comes with multiple blades and accessories for crafting and small workshops. Kapro 257 Flex Sander. The Kapro 257 Flex Sander is a versatile hand-powered sanding tool designed for precision and ease. Its flexible base adapts to flat, concave, and convex surfaces, reaching corners, grooves, and narrow spaces effortlessly. Featuring an ergonomic, removable handle for comfortable control and precise pressure, it uses a 6-inch hook and loop system for quick sandpaper changes. Compact and lightweight, it reduces fatigue and enhances maneuverability. Perfect for woodworking, furniture refinishing, and DIY projects, it comes with a starter sandpaper disc. Rockwell JawStand XP. The Rockwell JawStand XP is a portable heavy-duty work support stand designed for precision and versatility. Its micro-adjustment XP handle allows fine height tuning up to 2 inches, while the integrated cam lever clamp securely holds materials without damage. The swiveling tilting head with a bubble level ensures perfect alignment, and the low friction surface allows smooth material movement. With a robust tripod base, 220-pound capacity, adjustable height 25 to 43 inches, and durable steel construction, it's stable, portable, and ideal for professional or DIY projects. Festool CENTROTEC 15 to 35mm Forstner drill bit. The Festool CENTROTEC 15 to 35mm Forstner drill bit delivers precision and durability for professional woodworking. Made from high-quality ball-bearing steel, it drills clean, tear-free blind holes in both soft and hardwood. Its innovative CENTROTEC interface allows quick, secure bit changes, while exchangeable centering points provide versatility, including angled drilling up to 45 degrees. Resharpenable up to 5 times, these bits ensure long-lasting performance. Ideal for furniture making, hinge installation, and general carpentry, they guarantee precise, smooth, and accurate results every time. Wolfcraft Countersink. Wolfcraft Countersinks deliver precision and durability with German-made quality. Featuring a 90-degree countersinking angle and unique 3-edge cutting geometry, they provide clean, tear-free holes in wood, plastic, and metal. Available in tool steel for general use or HSS for tougher materials, many models include a 1/4 inch hex or triangular shank for secure, quick tool changes. Select models offer adjustable depth stops for consistent flush screws, 2-in-1 pilot and countersink functions, and ergonomic hand-operated versions for versatile, efficient work. DEWALT DCW2 10 Orbital Sander. The DEWALT DCW210 Random Orbital Sander is a cordless 5-inch powerhouse designed for efficiency and precision. Its brushless motor delivers longer runtime and durability, while variable speed control, 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, adapts to any material. Ergonomic low-profile design with a textured grip ensures comfort and control, complemented by low vibration. The one-handed dust bag, airlock compatibility, hook and loop pad, and dust-sealed switch maximize convenience and longevity. Some models feature wireless tool control for smart dust extractor integration. JessEm Mite-R-Excel II. The JessEm Mite-R-Excel II is a high-precision miter gauge for table saws, crafted from CNC machined aluminum, Swiss-turned stainless steel, and Sheffield steel for exceptional durability. It features 9 miter detents, a telescopic fence extending up to 36 inches, and a micro adjuster for precise incremental cuts. The adjustable guide bar fit ensures zero play in standard miter slots, while the flip stop accommodates thick sacrificial fences. Laser engraved markings, a large ergonomic handle, and a patent-pending fence knob make accurate, repeatable cuts effortless. Made in Canada. WOKIN 1/4 inch Industrial Laminate Trimmer. The WOKIN 1/4 inch Industrial Laminate Trimmer is a high-speed precision tool perfect for woodworking, cabinetry, and DIY projects. It reaches up to 33,500 RPM for efficient trimming, routing, chamfering, and grooving. Its 1/4 inch chuck fits standard router bits, while adjustable depth control and a transparent base ensure accuracy. Versatile and user-friendly, it comes with essential accessories like a guide fence, template guide, wrench, and carbon brushes, making it ideal for professional and hobbyist use. Rockler Concealed Hinge Jig. The Rockler Concealed Hinge Jig is a portable user-friendly guide for accurately drilling European-style hinge cup holes with a hand drill. No drill press needed. Its built-in spring clamp holds doors securely while doubling as a stable support foot. Solid steel template guides ensure durability, and adjustable offsets accommodate face frame or frameless cabinets. The non-marring base protects surfaces, while the clear center line aids positioning. Compatible with 35mm Forstner bits, it's ideal for small shops or on-site work. Veritas Dowel Former. The Veritas Dowel Former is a precise woodworking tool designed to create custom dowels from any wood species and oversized square stock. Its hardened A2 tool steel inserts ensure clean, sharp cuts, while the interchangeable system and versatile 3-inch mounting plate allow bench or dog hole use. Simply drive a tapered blank through the insert with a mallet for perfect dowels. Available in imperial and metric sizes, it's ideal for matching or contrasting projects. Proudly made in Canada for durability and precision. POWERTEC 24-inch T-Track. The POWERTEC 24-inch T-Track is a versatile double-cut aluminum track designed for woodworking jigs, fixtures, and workbenches. Its universal profile fits 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch T-bolts, allowing compatibility with a variety of hardware. Made from durable anodized 6463 aluminum, it offers strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight design. Pre-drilled, countersunk holes ensure easy installation on tabletops or workstations. Perfect for router tables, drill press tables, cross-cut sleds, and custom jigs. It also integrates seamlessly with POWERTEC accessories for a fully customizable workshop setup. Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro. The Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro is a professional tool designed for quick, precise, and repeatable installation of cabinet knobs and pulls. Crafted from durable all-aluminum with hardened steel drill guides, it ensures consistent hardware placement. Its versatile design fits single knobs and pulls with 1 3/4 to 12-inch spacing and flips for left or right-hand doors. Integrated laser-etched scales simplify measurements, while the adjustable end stop guarantees repeatable accuracy. Intuitive and user-friendly, it saves time for both beginners and pros. Blum Carcase Profile Drilling Template. The Blum Carcase Profile drilling template is a precise tool for marking and pre-drilling fixing positions for various Blum hardware. Compatible with Aventos lift systems, Tandem Box, Metabox, Movento runners, clip-top hinges, tip-on, and Blue Motion plates, it ensures accurate and repeatable installations. Adjustable for different heights and depths, it works with both assembled and unassembled cabinets. Made from durable nylon and aluminum, it is lightweight yet sturdy, accommodating 2.5mm and 5mm drill bits for professional, reliable results. Grizzly G0969 21-inch variable speed scroll saw. The Grizzly G0969 21-inch variable speed scroll saw is a heavy-duty cast iron scroll saw designed for precision and intricate cutting. Its tilting head allows bevel cuts up to 45 degrees while keeping the large table stationary, providing excellent control. Variable speed from 400 to 1550 SPM accommodates different materials, and the tool-free blade system makes changes effortless. Features include a foot pedal for hands-free operation, built-in LED light, dust blower, and a 2.5-inch dust port. Durable construction ensures stability and vibration-free performance. Rockler Flush Cutting Router Jig. The Rockler Flush Cutting Router Jig enables precise, efficient flush trimming of inlays, dowels, patches, and decorative wood accents, reducing the need for sanding. Its rigid 1/4-inch anodized aluminum plate, adjustable outrigger arms, and dual motion design provide stability and wide coverage. Compatible with most compact or mid-size routers, the jig features laser-etched markings, an easy-to-grip control knob, and a 0.01-inch plastic spacer for minimal sanding. Perfect for achieving flawless surfaces quickly, it delivers professional results with versatility and precision.